lot of emotions are running through my mind right now. But I would like to say, when the universe hands you a position, don't ask, why me? Ask, what now? Then rise to it, which I'm about to do. Good day, the directors in absentia, the principal, our spiritual mother and minister of today, our esteemed parents, cherished staff, immediate past prefects, prefects of the class of 2026, ever-attentive Prestonians, ladies and gentlemen. People have come up this stage, stood in this very spot to give different definitions of leadership. I will give you the simplified version. Leadership is not based on a title, but the ability to lead others. Before I dive into the speech proper, I would like to appreciate the directors and the entire management of Preston International School for not just trusting and choosing us, but also empowering us with the skill sets required for this task, especially with the week-long stay at the Citizenship and Leadership Training Center, C-School Papa. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, people come up here with huge goals and aspirations with what they can change. But my vision, in line with Atomic Habits, is to change Preston, one student at a time. I plan to ensure that each and every student here is intrinsically motivated, follows the rules, and sees beyond the now. Look, I am not planning to be a dictator, but a leader who leads by example and shows the way while carrying every single person along. I plan to aid the evolution of Preston into one that envisions her goal to raise fine, well-rounded, well-educated, well-cultured, respectable, God-fearing ladies and gentlemen who will make huge contribution towards the promotion and protection of human dignity in our society. And I can boldly say that Prestonians are making waves worldwide. Prestonians, you are the heartbeat of Preston, and there is simply no Preston without you. So I implore you to support our vision. I'm sure some of you may be wondering, how can all these goals and aspirations come to pass? Like, can Alabi actually do this? Like, Alabi, can we eat pizza? Can we get shawarma since you're gunning for our happiness? Let me be sincere. While I cannot promise pizza every night, I promise open communication, creative events, and effective student leadership. I cannot promise miracles, but I promise a bridge between staff and students to ensure that all your concerns are brought to the table, no matter how little they may seem. I also promise to make myself available one Saturday every month for a new innovation, Talk to the Presidency, where you can voice all your opinions to either myself or other members of the cabinet. And trust me, your opinions matter to me. I may be the president, but Preston belongs to us all. To our parents and other invited guests, we thank you for being with us every step of the way. And we appreciate your presence here with us in these pivotal moments of our lives. May God bless you richly. The quote, "Success leaves clues," has begun to resonate in me more deeply, as I can see that the past is proof of what can happen in the future. I appreciate our predecessors who have shown us the way and have given us enough confidence and momentum required to launch us to greater heights. And for that, I say thank you. Finally, to the prefects of the class of 2026, teamwork makes the dream work. Alone, I may have good ideas, but together, we can build something even greater. We are not aiming for perfection. We are aiming for progress. So if we stumble, we learn. And if we fall, we rise again. Because we are unstoppable. We are the prefects of the class of 2026. And I can boldly say, by God's grace, we will not let you down. Thank you.